Hi, I'm John D'Ambrosio. I'm the chair of the 400 gig Ethernet task force. I want to discuss the rates of Ethernet. Many of you are probably familiar with 10 times the performance at 3 times the cost. And I would like to say bye-bye to that thinking. Ethernet is no longer jumping by decades. We're jumping to speeds that make sense. And if you look at what's happened in the recent history, actually in the last 5 years, we saw 40 gig emerge. And it really emerged because we could do 4 lanes of 10 gig. And as we look to 100 gig, we developed solutions that were based on 25 gig. Perhaps some of you are familiar now that the IEEE is developing a 25 gig Ethernet project targeting servers. Let's talk about the future though and what's going to happen. In the 400 gig task force, we've now selected as one of the electrical signaling rates 50 gigabit. It's really the next serial lane rate that we're going to see down at the ASIC level. And if we look and see what's happened, as I just pointed out, 2 examples of speed jumps, really from a family perspective, 10 and 40, 25 and 100, 50 as a new server speed seems like a logical choice. And people are looking at this already as we start to expand on the development of 50 gig technology into other areas such as backplanes and twin-ax cabling, perhaps even into the single mode fiber across a single lambda. It also raises the question of, will we see a continuation of that 1x, 4x strategy? Will 50 gig turn into 200 gig? This is a decision that I don't enter into lightly, and I don't think the industry will. But history is on our side, and we need to go back and look at that, and then we need to look and see, will the market want a 50 gig, 200 gig family in the future? Stay tuned.